Welcome back, my green loving community, and today I want to talk about one of those really cool flowering indoor plants that a lot of you are bringing into your spaces, and that is the lipstick plant. Yes, I said it, lipstick, just like you put on your lips. But you're not going to want to put the plant on your lips. I mean, unless you're going to kiss it. I mean, do you kiss your plants like I do? Sometimes you just gotta show them some love, right? But it won't produce lipstick for you to put on your lips. So today, I wanna talk to you about how to care for it.
This beautiful indoor flowering plant can really make spring bloom in your home. It's easy to see where it gets its name from, and this particular lipstick plant is called, well, the Mona Lisa. Hey Mona Lisa, can I get a date on Friday? Yeah, the Fugees. That's what it makes me think of course. Well, during the growth season, spring and summer that is, this plant shoots out 2-inch blooms from the center of its deep violet cups that all develop at the ends of its trailing vines. For those looking to see this happen from their own indoor plant, it's imperative to give them the right light. The lipstick plant thrives best in bright and direct light, but can also tolerate a bit of filter light as well. To best produce its wild blooms, the light is of utmost importance. Here's when you'll see the lipstick center slowly emerge from the center of the cup, like turning the tube and watching actual lipstick twirl out. Signs that you're not giving it enough light, or when the plant isn't flowering during the spring and summer, or the foliage starts to fade from its dark green color to a light green. Be careful not to overexpose it to direct sun either, because this can cause the foliage to become sunburned and the leaves to dry and fall off. When it comes to the soil, you want to make sure that the top 2 inches of soil are completely dry before you water. My method is to stick my fingers in, and if it comes up with soil falling off, well, it's time to water. But if I stick my finger in and soil is sticking to my finger, I give it about another day and check back in, and then once it is dry, that's when I give it water. Understanding when exactly to water your plants is what gives plant parents the most frustration. For me, I would prefer to lean towards underwatering because overwatering is a quick killer and can lead to root rot. If you're being present with your plant and checking on its needs, then you should be fine. Having the right soil matters for all of your plants. So in the case of the lipstick plant, I like to lean towards a well-draining soil. For me, I like to go 2/3 all-purpose soil and 1/3 perlite. And once a month, I take a pencil and stick it through the soil to make sure it stays aerated. The best way to showcase this plant is to place it in a hanging planter. It wants to grow long and having its vines cascade down to show off its true beauty. While using a hanging planter to keep your pets away from your plants is one of my suggested methods, even if your pet gets to it, the lipstick plant is non-toxic to your fur friends.
So yeah, that's how you're going to care for your lipstick plant. I really hope these tips help. And again, if you have a different plant that you really need some help with, leave a message and we'll hopefully make a video for it. I hope this helped. Have fun.